Do you love hummus? I love hummus, and hummus is amazing, and you can buy it almost anywhere, but did you know you can make it yourself? And it's super easy to make. It requires no heat. It does require a food processor. So we've got the food processor out. What we have here is 2 cans of chickpeas, which we drained, but reserved the liquid from the can. So the first thing to do is to remove some of the chickpeas, because I want to save them for afterwards when we plate up our hummus. But the rest of them are going into the food processor, and in they go. I don't need the sieve anymore. I'm gonna put these chickpeas back in the bowl. That's great. So chickpeas are in, and then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. So I have here olive oil going in, and that's gonna add richness. We have tahini or trina, the way I call it, going in as well. And that's a sesame paste that you can find almost anywhere in the Middle East and now in every supermarket. And it's just sesame, which is ground up into a paste. So that's going in as well. On top of that, I have the juice of 1 lemon and 1 teaspoon of salt. Everyone's going in there, and we're gonna process until smooth. So I'm going to start in a second. Oh, it helps when you close the machine. So do you see how it's a bit stiff? And that's okay, because remember, we saved some of the water from the can of chickpeas, and we're gonna slowly drizzle in the water from the can of chickpeas, and that's going to make it all come together beautifully. And we're going to add a little bit at a time until we have a beautiful hummus, and that's how difficult it is to make your own hummus at home. And a little more. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about hummus. And then the rest of it is going in, and we're just gonna let the machine do its bit. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm excited about hummus. And to me, that looks kind of done. Let's have a look. Let's stop the machine and look inside. Check that out. Does that not look like hummus? How amazing is that? Now, if you go to a restaurant in Israel, the way they're gonna serve the hummus is they're gonna take a plate. You hold it the way a waiter does, in the palm of your hand, and you scoop the hummus. Let's do a few of these. Let's do about 4 or 5 tablespoons of hummus onto the plate. And then you use the back of the spoon to coat the plate in hummus. And the reason it's in your palm is so that you can move the plate around. And this is the way you get hummus in a restaurant in Israel. And this is where the real artistry comes from and where you can get creative. You fill this well with whatever you want. What we're gonna fill it with is we're gonna drizzle some olive oil on top. How beautiful is that? We're gonna add our reserved chickpeas onto that, and then sprinkle some za'atar everywhere. Amazing. That is our homemade hummus. You could do it yourself. Try it out. It's delicious, and I'll see you soon.